Welcome to Intelligent Kids channel.
Hi Sam, how are you today?
I'm good. Alex, how about you?
I'm doing well. How was your class today?
It was great. We learned about space and science.
That sounds interesting. Who is your favorite teacher?
I like Mr. Johnson. He makes math fun.
Do you find math easy?
Not always, but I enjoy learning it.
What subject do you like the most?
I love history. What about you?
I prefer English. I enjoy writing stories.
That's cool. Have you written any stories recently?
Yes, I wrote one about a time-traveling cat.
Wow, that sounds fun.
What's your least favorite subject?
I find chemistry a bit hard. What about you?
I struggle with geography sometimes.
Okay.
What do you do after school?
I usually play soccer.
That's great. Do you play for the school team?
Yes, we have a match next week.
Good luck. Do you think you will win?
I hope so. We have been practicing a lot.
What other hobbies do you have?
I also like reading books.
What kind of books do you like?
I enjoy adventure and mystery books.
Have you read any good books recently?
Yes, I read Harry Potter.
That's a great series. I love it too.
What about you? Do you like reading?
Yes, I enjoy comic books and fantasy stories.
That's great!
Do you play any musical instruments?
Yes, I play the guitar.
That's awesome. Can you play any songs?
Yes, I can play a few pop songs.
How many people are in your family?
There are 5 of us. What about you?
I have a small family, just me, my parents, and my sister.
Oh, okay.
Do you have any pets?
Yes, I have a dog named Max.
That's nice. What breed is he?
He's a golden retriever.
I love dogs. I have a cat named Luna.
Cats are cool too.
Are you in any school clubs?
Yes, I'm in the drama club.
That sounds fun. Have you acted in any plays?
Yes, I played a prince in our last play.
That's amazing. Do you enjoy acting?
Yes, it's exciting to be on stage.
Are you planning to join any new clubs?
Maybe the debate club.
That's great. I think you would be good at debating.
Thanks.
What's your favorite holiday?
I love Christmas.
Me too. Do you celebrate with your family?
Yes, we decorate the house and exchange gifts.
Have you traveled to another country?
Yes, I visited France last year.
That's amazing. What did you see there?
The Eiffel Tower and some museums.
What do you want to be when you grow up?
I want to be a doctor.
That's a great choice. Why?
I like helping people.
That's really nice. I want to be a pilot.
That's an exciting job.
Do you like flying?
Yes, I dream of flying around the world.
What's your favorite color?
I like blue.
What's your favorite food?
I love pizza.
Me too. What's your favorite topping?
Cheese and pepperoni.
Do you like ice cream?
Yes, my favorite flavor is chocolate.
Do you prefer summer or winter?
Summer. I love going to the beach.
What's your dream vacation?
A trip to Japan.
Do you like doing homework?
Not really, but I know it's important.
Same here. Which subject gives the most homework?
I think math.
Do you study every day?
I try to.
What's the best way to study?
I make notes and use flashcards.
That's a good idea.
It was nice talking to you.
Yes, let's talk again tomorrow.
Definitely. See you at school.
Thanks for watching. For watching more educational videos, subscribe Intelligent Kids channel. Don't forget to like and share the video.